How to integrate Gmail with Zapier. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel, and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Zapier, and I'll be showing you guys, as I said, how to integrate certain applications such as Gmail onto your account. So let's dive right into it. First of all, from the homepage of your Zapier's profile, you will navigate onto App Connections in the bottom left corner. Right here, you will click on Add Connection, and from the search bar of the applications, you will type in Gmail. Once you find it, you will click on Add Connection, and now you will get a window pop up for you to confirm your identity on Google. Once you allow access on your Zapier's profile, as you can see, you'll be redirected back to the page, and now you'll see your Gmail activated onto your app connections on your Zapier profile. From here, you can manage it. You can customize it and delete it if you want. And that will be everything for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.